Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin. Over the last 1 month, Bitcoin is up 5.2%. But guys, over the last 1 week, Bitcoin has lost 1.2% of its value. Over the last 1 week, Bitcoin has been ranging, and that has caused a lot of fear in the cryptocurrency market. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is back to fear. We're seeing market participants get hesitant about making some trades. Bitcoin retraced back to $59,000 amidst altcoin stagnation with regulatory hurdle. How low can Bitcoin go in the coming days and coming weeks? We're taking a look at the news stories going around the Bitcoin ecosystem. The US election is coming very, very soon. Is this Bitcoin's final pump before we see that dumps gobbling down, or is Bitcoin ranging, getting ready for a big pump to the moon? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. If you take a look at the altcoin market over the last 1 week, guys, that's not been a good time. The altcoin market, altcoins have been dumping. We have seen the emergence of meme coins. Meme coins have been having crazy pumps to the moon. Bitcoin, king of the market, has still been ranging from the $49,000 level to the $73,000 level. Bitcoin has been stuck in this range since February of 2024. We saw Bitcoin trading around $50,000 for the first time in 2024 in February. Since then, Bitcoin had rallied to as high as $73,000 by March. But guys, Bitcoin has not been able to break into new all-time highs ever since then. And we have seen Bitcoin ranging. Bitcoin has gone to as high as $70,000 multiple times. We have seen Bitcoin come down to as low as $49,000. And the latest installation of Bitcoin's range has seen us start dumping from when we were trading in September. September ended up being a very good month. We saw Bitcoin rallying from the 6th of September 2024, ending up that rally in 27th of September 2024. It was a 21-day rally, and we saw Bitcoin rallying by 27%. But since then, we've said October that was framed to be very bullish for Bitcoin. There's a lot of expectations heading into the month of October that Bitcoin will see higher prices, but that has not been the case. In the month of October, we've seen Bitcoin dump by around 11%. Bitcoin found its way back to the $58,000 level. Remember, guys, we're watching Bitcoin's 200-day moving average. Bitcoin went above its 200-day moving average. We talked about how the $60,000 level has been a very difficult level for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin going above that 200-day moving average signified that, in my own books, that was the final pump. Right now, as Bitcoin has dumped gobbling down, I will not be shocked as we are rallying to higher prices in the coming days and the coming weeks if the most action will be in the altcoin market, if most action will be with Ethereum, with Solana, and other meme coins. Right now, it's not going to be popular to say the top is in for Bitcoin, but guys, with some high degree of confidence, I may be saying that the top is in and Bitcoin is ready, getting ready for one gigantic fall in 2025. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is fearful. Right now, there's fear in the cryptocurrency market. Last month, there was fear. Last week, there was fear. I will not be shocked if there's still fear tomorrow. Bitcoin has been in the bull market for over 2 years right now. Bitcoin dumping 2 or 3% is sending the market in fear. Guys, that's a worrying, heavy worrying sign. Over the last 3 years, Bitcoin has not seen a correction of more than 35%. The biggest correction Bitcoin has seen in the last 3 years has been this correction that we're currently undergoing that started in March of 2024. If not, it has been a fairly good ride to the upside since when Bitcoin hit that $15,500 level. At some point in time, volatility is going to return back to the Bitcoin price chart, and that volatility might see Bitcoin dumping aggressively to gobbling down, because in the last 2 years, we've seen Bitcoin pump to higher values. In the last 2 years, we have seen Bitcoin basically go up only by 381%. Let's take a look at some news stories going around the Bitcoin ecosystem. Bitcoin retraces to $59,000 amidst altcoins stagnant with regulatory hurdle. Bitcoin has fallen below the crucial 60,000 price level. Meanwhile, a crypto analyst highlights that altcoins with strong fundamentals are seeing price spikes due to regulatory hurdle. The US election outcome will stop Bitcoin from hitting $100,000. That's what Dan Tapiro has to say. Crypto adoption is gaining speed no matter who wins the US presidential race in November, the venture fund founder has said. Guys, there's a huge reasons why the bull will be very bullish. Donald Trump has been pro-crypto. If Donald Trump wins, you will expect to see higher prices. Kamala Harris has not really been on the crypto side. But guys, I don't think the US election has anything to do with the price of Bitcoin. Yes, we might have some factors that might influence people to make some decisions, but I think where Bitcoin will be trading during the election is already baked in the sand. We've been in the bull run for over 2 years right now. Unless we think the Bitcoin bull run will continue forever, I don't think we should expect to see a rally after the election. But I may be wrong, guys. Only time will tell. Bitcoin price falls 24+% the last time this metric turned negative. Will it happen again? Bitcoin derivative metric shift as Bitcoin price fell under $59,000 are lower prices incoming. Bitcoin correction began after United States report higher than anticipated consumer inflation data, suggesting that traders are concerned that the Federal Reserve has less incentive to continue cutting interest rates in the future. And guys, concerning interest rates, Bitcoin has not been in an environment where the Fed will be aggressively cutting, just like in 2008 or maybe during the dot-com bubble. Yes, Bitcoin has been here when the Fed is raising interest rate, but cutting interest rate aggressively. We will see how Bitcoin will react this time. I will not be shocked if the reaction is very, very negative. We expect the stock market to dump when the Fed is cutting interest rates. I don't think this time will be different from Bitcoin. I don't think cryptocurrency markets can survive that incoming crash. Is it good that Bitcoin doesn't have? It is good that Bitcoin doesn't have an eccentric founder. That's what Adam Black has to say. The Blockstream founder was favored as the most likely figure to be revealed as Satoshi Nakamoto in the HB documentary by Polymath's user, but it didn't turn out to be him. It turned out to be, I think, Nick Lenz or who was the person, and the person that HB eventually said, Peter Todd, and HB said it was Peter Todd that was Satoshi, and Peter Todd came out to say he is not Satoshi. I don't think anybody in the Bitcoin ecosystem is worried about looking for Satoshi. Most people that are looking for it, they just need attention. I think the average crypto market participant is happy that Satoshi is not known, is happy for the gift of Bitcoin. Bitcoin digests US nightmare CPI jobs data as 60K hangs in the balance. Bitcoin arguably stands to benefit from micro data uphill as US CPI and jobless data diverge in a nightmare for the Federal Reserve. The news is not looking very, very bullish for Bitcoin, guys, but the price action says Bitcoin is traded at $60,000, and Bitcoin trades around 4x from the bottom of this bear market. And right now, the market participants are not happy with Bitcoin at $60,000. Guys, you have to ask yourself this $1 million question. 2 years ago, people will have cut your hand to see Bitcoin at $60,000. Right now, there's a lot of excitement in the market, and Bitcoin is no longer anybody's darling. The spot ETFs are already open. BlackRock, you can buy spot ETF from BlackRock, from Fidelity. There's nothing novel about Bitcoin again. Bitcoin is not the cool kid on the block. Right now, meme coins are the cool kid on the block, and Bitcoin dominance slowly dumping to Goblin Town. I will not be shocked if we see an acceleration and dump of Bitcoin dominance in the coming days, and that might lead to Bitcoin dumping to lower prices. Guys, drop a thought about that in the comment section. How bullish are you on the price of Bitcoin? How bearish are you on the future of Bitcoin? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications, get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.